Welcome to Vidgram Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record an audio message with a screen in Vidgram Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now choose your message type. Now you can record your audio message with a screen sharing. Just select the screen you want to share. Now you can record your audio message with a shared screen. Use this feature to enhance your reach. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables computers and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. On its own or combined with other technologies, e.g., sensors, geolocation, robotics, AI can perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence or intervention. Once you are done recording, click on Stop. Artificial intelligence, or AI. Now click on Save and Continue. Here you can customize your audio player. We will cover the detailed functionality of Edit Video Message Player settings in upcoming videos. You can control your player. You can add a CTA URL to your audio message. Click on Submit and your audio message with the screen is ready. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that and machines to simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capability. You can share your audio message on your desired social media platforms. You can share and embed your audio message on any platform. Or you can share it via mail also. You can copy your audio message URL. You can open your audio message URL. You can see your audio message in the My Video Messages section. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching video.